The bandwidth of the Ministry of Science, Energy and Technology had an extensive reach in 2022. Its frequencies traveled further across the island, making critical Wi-Fi connections, boosting the energy sector, and aiding human capital development. This is the 2022 Year in Review. In a landmark move, Cabinet approved the strategic framework for electric mobility, which will guide the introduction of electric vehicles in Jamaica. The government electrical regulator, YIR, was operationalized to provide the public with more licensed private electrical inspectors. A consultant was engaged by the ministry to review and update the 2009 to 2030 National Energy Policy, and the House of Representatives approved the Electricity Net Billing Regulations 2022, which is set to provide opportunities for fuel diversification and renewable energy sources.
As Jamaica considers the problems of energy supply, global warming, and our national climate goals, the passing of these regulations is critical.
The ministry entered a partnership with Flow to increase internet access across 1,500 rural households under the JUMP initiative. Similarly, through a grant agreement with the United States Trade and Development Agency, Jamaica's emergency communication system was boosted. The newly renovated Central Sorting Office was reopened, and a consultant was identified to assist in modernizing and redefining how the Post and Telecommunications Department operates. A 2021 Toyota Hiace bus was handed over to the National Works Agency by the ministry to transport technicians who will install fiber optic cables across the country. The ministry ramped up its quest to build a digital society through improved internet access. Major strides were made in its public Wi-Fi, national broadband, community Wi-Fi hotspot, and community access points programs.
At this ministry, we take particular interest in connecting rural communities to ensure that no one is left behind.
Another area of focus for the ministry in 2022 was human capital development. Approximately 20 young persons benefited from the Classroom to Real-World Mentorship Workshop, which aims to connect science students with professionals in the industry worldwide. Students from 27 high schools benefited from the ICT Clubs initiative, which seeks to strengthen the integration of technology in learning. The National School Science and Technology Society program, also known as Science Club, was revitalized and refreshed through the efforts of the Scientific Research Council. And 9 Jamaican women who have been making significant strides in developing the country's science and technology industry were rewarded.
This government, through the Ministry of Science, Energy and Technology, is committed to the development and advancement of science and its related fields.